Hey guys, this is Andrew with Apogee. We're just doing a quick training video real fast here to kind of give you the ins and outs of how to take these designs that Johnny is making and implement them into this site. So we'll just kind of jump right in. As soon as you guys log into the site, you're going to see the dashboard right here on the left-hand side of my screen. Just for the ease of this video, I've got the website loaded up on the left-hand side of the screen, and I've got the PSD is supplied by you guys open on the right-hand side. This is at a 1-to-1 ratio on a 4K monitor. So as you see it laid out here will be exactly the same as how you would see the site on a 1080p width if the site was full screen. Normally when you build these out, you want to make sure that you're doing it at 1080p just to make sure that as you're playing with anything that's responsive, that you're seeing how it's going to react on the live site. So we'll just jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is make a new test page. I'm just going to name this testing video. However, what you guys would do is name it whatever URL the page is that you're going to be building out. As you can see, it's going to pop up a little navigation item that says this page does not yet exist. You'll go ahead and just click this button here that creates the new page, and as you can see now, that page has been created. Now, one of the issues we run into immediately, as you can see, is it's using just the standard theme rather than the theme that we've actually taken the time to build for you guys. The reason it does that is because the system just naturally falls back onto itself. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go in and we're going to set this theme to match your theme. To get there, we're going to go to the admin menu in the top, and we're going to come down, excuse me, we're going to come down onto the right-hand side to this link that says Dynamic Pages. Now, the amount of navigation items I've got on my screen are likely going to be different than what you guys see. It just depends on if you're logged in as a developer, as an admin, as a user, things of that nature. So don't get overwhelmed with all the options there. So we're going to click on Dynamic Pages. As you see, we've now got a list of all the possible pages. We're just going to do a quick find for the page title that we just created. Again, I created testing video, but you guys will want to create the page based off of the URL that you want distinctly for that page. When we come into here, we're going to click on Edit. And this is going to allow us to edit any of the options of that specific page. As you can see, the third option is the theme. The theme that we've got set up for all your sub pages is called Authentic. You're going to see that right here on the drop-down menu. We're just going to go ahead and switch this page over to Authentic, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and at the very bottom you'll see a Save option. When we click Save, now the theme should have actually duplicated itself out, and when we go to that page, we've now got full editability.